Google just quietly released a tool that lets AI agents control Gmail, Google Drive, and Calendar, and it looks like OpenClaw can now plug directly into it. This might be the beginning of AI agents actually running your entire workspace. I came across this article the other day talking about something called the Google Workspace CLI. At the first glance, it looks like just another developer tool, but actually it's much more interesting. Google released a command line interface that exposes workspace functionality through simple commands. That includes applications like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar, instead of using separate API keys for each service. Before this, if you wanted to build an AI agent that interacts with Google Workspace, things got very complicated very quickly. You needed to integrate Gmail API, Drive API, Docs API, Calendar API, and then each of them required authentication, OAuth scopes, different endpoints, separate documentation, and so on. So building automation agents that interacted with Workspace was actually pretty painful. The Workspace CLI simplifies this by exposing everything through one command line interface. Instead of calling APIs directly, you run commands like this one: GWS, Drive, Files, List, and then you specify how many basically Google Drive files you want to fetch. The CLI returns structured data, usually JSON, which AI agents can easily understand. AI agents usually struggle with graphical interfaces, but they're extremely good at command line environments. Why? Because commands are predictable, structured, and easy to reason about. So giving AI agents access to a CLI to control Workspace makes automation much easier. OpenClaw is an AI agent framework that can call tools, run commands, and execute workflows. If you expose the Workspace CLIs as a tool, OpenClaw can start interacting with all the Google services. For example, an agent could check your unread Gmail emails, summarize them, search your Google Drive, update a document, schedule a meeting, and so on. Imagine asking your AI assistant this: summarize my unread emails and create tasks for anything important. The agent could check the Gmail CLI, summarize all the messages, create tasks, and update a Google Doc or a spreadsheet, all automatically. This installs the Workspace CLI locally. Once authenticated, you can run commands like GWS, Gmail Messages List, and this is going to return all of your unread emails in a structured format. This is part of a bigger trend where software platforms are becoming AI agent ready. Instead of just APIs, companies are creating interfaces specifically designed for AI automation. And Google Workspace is one of the biggest productivity ecosystems in the world. So while this tool is still early and mainly aimed at developers, it shows where things are actually going. AI agents interacting directly with the software we use every day. And frameworks like OpenClaw make experimenting with these kinds of automations surprisingly easy. This is just the beginning of what AI agents can actually do. If you enjoy building AI automations like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is exactly what we do here, turning new AI tools into real practical workflows. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video.